Hello my dear friends, welcome to my non-stop kitchen. Today we are going to cook an unusual snack. You can use it for the New Year's Eve dinner if you want it. Firstly, chop champignons into small pieces, very small. Grate cheese and add it to our champignons. Make slices out of cucumber. Separate the yolks from the whites. Mix together yolks, cheese and mushrooms. Add garlic. Put this paste inside the whites carefully. Serve with dill. You can take a toothpick to serve cucumber nicely on top of the eggs. You can add garnet. Our pretty and unusual but delicious snack is ready for the dinner. Enjoy your meal and good luck!